Hello friends, welcome back to Wordivo English Tips. In today's video, we will learn English conversation between a shopkeeper and a customer. This conversation will help you speak English confidently in real-life situations. Listen carefully, pause the video, repeat after me. Let's begin. Shopkeeper and customer. Conversation. Good morning.
Good morning. How can I help you?
I am looking for a shirt.
Sure. What size do you need?
Medium size, please.
What color do you prefer?
Blue or black?
Here are some options. Please have a look.
This blue one looks nice.
Yes, it is very popular.
What is the price?
It is 1,200 rupees.
That's a bit expensive. Do you have something cheaper?
Yes, this one is for 900 rupees.
Is the quality good?
Yes, the quality is very good.
Can I try it?
Of course, the trial room is over there.
It fits well.
That's great.
Can you give some discount?
I can give you a 10% discount.
Okay, I'll take it.
Would you like anything else?
No, that's all.
How would you like to pay? Cash or UPI?
I will pay by UPI.
Payment received. Here is your bill.
Thank you.
Thank you for shopping with us. Have a nice day.
If you found this conversation helpful, like the video, comment shopping, subscribe to Wordivo English Tips. Also watch our old videos for more English practice. Practice this conversation daily and speak English with confidence. See you in the next video.